Malware is a malicious software designed to infect computers and other devices. The intent behind the infection varies because the cybercriminal can use malware to make money, to steal secret information that can give strategic advantages, to prevent a business from running, or even just to have fun. Malware is a broad term. It's like a category, and within this category you have different types of threats, such as virus, worm, Trojan, and ransomware. Let's have a look at some examples. Emotet, a Trojan in 2018. Emotet is a Trojan that became famous in 2018 after the US Department of Homeland Security defined it as one of the most dangerous and destructive malware. The reason for so much attention is that Emotet is widely used in cases of financial information theft, such as bank logins and cryptocurrencies. The main vectors of Emotet spread are malicious emails in the form of spam and phishing campaigns. Two striking examples are the case of the Chilean bank Consorcio with damages of $2 million and the case of the city of Allentown, Pennsylvania with losses of $1 million. Cryptolocker ransomware in 2013. The Cryptolocker is one of the most famous ransomware in history because, when it was released in 2013, it used a very large encryption key, which made the experts' work even more difficult. It's believed that it caused more than $3 million in damage and infected more than 200,000 Windows systems. This type of ransomware was mainly distributed via email through malicious files that looked like PDF files, but obviously they weren't. The Melissa virus in 1999. Wow, 1999 seems so far away, right? The Melissa virus infected thousands of computers worldwide by the end of 1999. The threat was spread via email using malicious word attachments and catchy subjects such as "important message from Brenda." Melissa is considered to be the earliest case of social engineering in history. The virus had the ability to spread automatically via email. Reports from that time say that it infected many companies and people, causing losses estimated to be around $80 million. But how do you fight malware? The first point is the issue regarding cybersecurity awareness. You need to be aware of what's on the internet. That means watch out for suspicious websites and emails. And that old tip continues: if you're not sure what you're doing, don't click on the links and don't open the attachments. The second point involves the use of technology. It's important that you have anti-malware solution on your computer or device. For end users, there are several free and good options on the market. For companies, in addition to this type of solution, we would always recommend the strengthening and protection of your email network. As already explained, email is the main malware vector, so an email security solution can rid any business of major headaches. To fight malware delivered via email, you should use secure email gateway solutions or anti-fraud based solutions.